In this lesson, we'll show you how you can export the timeliner in various formats. The first thing you have to do to export the timeliner is obviously open the timeliner. From there, go to the Tasks tab. On the right-hand side of the timeliner, you'll see a number of buttons that include filtering as well as exporting. For right now, the far right button is the one that's most important to us, exporting the schedule. When you click on it, it'll show you a variety of formats into which you can export your timeliner. The two that it's showing us right now are CSV and MS Project XML. This will export the data to a clipboard, where you can then save it in the appropriate file. In addition to exporting the raw data, you can also export an animation of your project over a course of time. Just go to the Simulate tab, and on the far right side of the window, you'll see an Export button. This will allow you to save your animation either as an AVI file or as a series of images.